yourself enjoy yourself. Just need for some.
Morning YouTube. Ever had to cut strips 1.5 to 3 inches? Well, this video is for you. Okay, this is what you do. You can use hot glue, or you can also use two-sided tape. Put about couple dabs of hot glue on the bottom of the circular saw. Put the distance that you want and stick it in place. Then it's set up, and that's it. You have a guide to cut your strips. Showing you close up, this is how it looks. Simple but effective. Now to show you it's working. Perfect strip. Three strips without effects. See what? And you see how easy it was. And when you finish, you can take off your guide. Make sure the saw is plugged out and just peel it off. So you can try it a different measurement. If you like it, subscribe to the channel about now, or like it. That's it.